Hello, this is Miss Steller, and today I'm going to do a quick little tutorial on how to make a simple friendship bracelet. Our ending result is going to be like this one, where you can see I have multiple colors, and what the technique I've done is basically created knots on top of all the other colors. It turns out really beautiful. And at the end, I'll show you how to tie it and to put it on. So what you need, your materials are string or thread. Really kind of anything can go, but I like the thin pieces. I just got these offline, but you can get them in any craft store. You need scissors. You just need that to cut your string in the beginning. And you need some sort of tape or a clipboard or some way to tie your string onto something while you make your friendship bracelet. Now I have gone ahead and picked my 4 colors. They're the same colors as my one I've finished one I've already shown you. And I have cut them, I do about 2.5 feet, which is kind of long, but then I know I have plenty, because if you have it too short, then you simply can't put it on you. Or you're gonna have to find a really tiny wrist. So I have all 4, they're all the same length, and then I'm going to make a loop knot. So how I do that is I have all 4 together. I'm gonna tie them around a finger. I'm gonna loop just like that. And then I'm going to pull the under part through just like that. Awesome. Then I'm going to tape it down. So I'm just gonna use some blue tape and I'm going to make an X above my knot. You can see. Make sure it's real good. I have a plastic tablecloth, so it's not going anywhere. And then I'm going to separate my 4 colors. Now, there are multiple ways you can do friendship bracelets, and I'm just gonna show you one of them. And what it is that you're basically going to create a knot, repeating a knot pattern over and over again and rotating the colors. So here are my 4 colors. I'm going to start with pink. So I'm gonna put all the other 3 colors in one hand and hold it kind of snug. And I'm gonna get this top piece and I'm going to do what I always say is a 4. So I'm gonna lay it on top and you see how it kind of makes a 4, or from your perspective, it makes kind of a giant frown, or it makes just a curve. And then I'm gonna hold the bottom 3 really snug, kind of tight, and I'm going to go through the hole, pull this, tighten, and then really make sure I hold this straight and pull that up. And I'm gonna repeat that 3 to 5 times. I normally like to do 5 because it just makes it to where there's bigger color chunks. So I make my 4, lift these up, go through the hole, hold it tight, and whoop, you see it jumped. So I gotta be really careful. 2. You get faster as you learn. 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna do another color. So let's see whichever one kind of naturally comes next is blue. So I'm gonna put all the other 3 colors in this hand and blue on this one. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna make a 4, put my hand, go through the circle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you want to make sure it's sticking kind of small. What always makes people sad is when it jumps and you have like this kind of big bump where it doesn't belong. So you just want to make sure you're only doing it over those 3. So I've done 5, so I'm going to do my next color, which will be this lime color. Make my 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then my last color is yellow. Make your 4, go through the hole, pull it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Now you are going to repeat this over and over again. So I'm going to go back to my pink, make my 4, and you're gonna repeat that pattern over and over again to where finally it looks like this one, to where you have it to where you've made it to where it is the correct length of whoever you are giving this friendship bracelet to. And what you simply do at the end is you make another loop knot. You just can see I did it there. I looped it around my fingers. I pulled it through, made it as snug to the end as possible. And then I'm knotted on both ends, and I can do it myself, or I can get a friend, or you can do it, and then you just tie it on a knot on yourself. And then you have a very simple and very beautiful friendship bracelet. Now these will stay on a long time, and they are fun to have all summer long. So I will make one more video to do kind of a next level one, but I hope that if this is your first time making it, you have a lot of fun, and make sure you show me. Thanks.